Hey everybody, it's Rob Bingham. How you doing? Long day at work today, and a very nice surprise when I got home from work is this little package had been delivered. It's been sent to me for evaluation and give a product review on. And I'm very excited to give this a try. I'm going to keep the envelope this way up. The other side's got my address on it, and I don't want adoring fans and paparazzi parked outside of my house. So here we go. We have got a product from a new company called Kinisy. And Kinisy are making this very cool little SmartGlow glow plug driver. This is the first time I've seen it. This is opening it at the same time. So right, what we got in the packet? First of all, we've got alligator clip, and the power lead looks like so to come from your flight controller. Yeah, flight controller lead, and a crocodile clip and an earth ring. So we've got the wire in there, we've got a unit, and we've got a little booklet, SmartGlow Intelligent Onboard Glow Ignition. Solid green, we've got glow on our glow plug, red flashing, glow plug not detected or is blown. Got to make sure it's properly grounded, and a nice QR code for setup info. So that's the instruction manual that comes with it. Now this is really quite smooth. This is small. This is lovely. All right, let's get this open, and we'll have get a little measurement, see what size this is. So this is 47 millimeters long, 10 millimeters wide, 7 millimeters thick. So it's really quite dinky. All made from aluminium, and the PCB is bonded in, so it's embedded into the board. This is two reasons for this. Firstly, we got a nice solid case that's not plastic that can fall apart. We've also got thermal stability with this as well. This is an aluminium button as well. There's a nice positive feel to that. Then we've got ports at the end to plug a servo lead into, and ports that end. Happy days, right? We'll set up some macro cell. I'm using V-bar. We'll set up a macro cell to switch this. I'll do a separate video then with it installed, with it running with the V-bar. But so far, very, very impressed. That looks a really nice, solid piece of kit. It just, that's going to survive crashes and everything, no problem at all. There's nothing rattling, there's nothing loose. That looks really nice. Okay, let's see what it's like when it's up and running. Right, I've had a bit of time now to get this set up and give it a macro cell to operate it, so I'll go through how to do that. So I know a lot of people struggle with macro cells, so I'll go through how to do that, so this is nice and easy to use. But basically I'm using a V-bar Neo here, using the aux 1 output, so the one along the top edge there. And that's just the power lead. That's one thing actually I wanted to say as well. The power lead that's come with it is a very thick cable, one of the thicker servo type wires you can get, which is very good because that means that you've got plenty of power being able to get to the glow driver. So yeah, I'm impressed with the cable. It's not a skinny thin cable. And then on the back of the unit, it's very clearly marked up where your signal, which ends are your signal, which is your power, your positive and negative, and obviously your receiver end and your glow end. So that's there. You've got this aluminium button, so if you want to manually start your helicopter or just check your glow is working, you can press that button, and you can see we've got our glowers up and running, and we've got a very bright green light here. This is on a timer. There is no alarm bell. There is no sort of beepo running at the same time. It's straightforward glow. The whole idea, the whole principle, or the design ethic for this is something that's robust and solid and reliable. There's no sort of, it's nothing, it's not gimmicky. It's just a solid aluminium case with a circuit board on board that can do its job with good thermal stability being inside the aluminium case. So if we come then onto into the transmitter, so if I set this up then, so macro cell setup, and then I can go to edit macro cells, and we're going to go to 06 is aux 1. If you happen to choose aux 2 on your Neo or Evo, you use number 7, or if you plug it into aux 3, you're going to put it into number 8. So we obviously want this one. Here, the edit is where you can change the name and say, yep, obviously I put it as glow. Cell type is this is the channel, so this is your how you want the macro cell to work. We're just switching a channel basically, so set it as a channel. The next row then is your switch. What do you want to use to make it trigger to fire this? I'm going to use my top left switch here on my touch. This is Evo actually, and then I'll go through these numbers just in case anybody wants to see those numbers. So if you want to copy those, you can. Okay, and then so now when I switch this on, you can see we've got our nice solid green light that's glowing, and our glow plug has got a good old healthy glow to it. It's very bright, nice. This is timed. I've actually forgotten to count how long it is timed for. Probably 15 seconds, I would guess, something like that. So then I can obviously turn that back off, but yeah, so you could carry on flying with it down in that position. You're not going to do any damage. Your model is it is turned off. You're not going to leave this glowing, constantly pulling power out of your receiver LiPo, so that's all good. And then if you wanted to simulate a broken plug, so let's say that we haven't got a plug and we were to turn our power on now, if you watch what happens, it goes to a very bright red flashing light. So it's going to tell you that there's something wrong with the glow plug. Straight away you know, or it's come unclipped or your earth wires come off. But if a glow plug's not detected, you're going to have a very bright flashing red light at you. So connect that back on again, and then power on. We're back to solid and we've got our glow, and that's it. That's the setup of it. Obviously, any questions, feel free to give us a shout. If it's an answer I don't know, I can try and I can find out for you. But happy days, they're going to be on sale very soon from the Kinisy website. Do I have a web address at the moment? I don't, I'm afraid, but no, I haven't got a website written down, I'm afraid. But it's going to be available. You'll find them on Facebook. It's going to be advertised. We've already shown this product on Nitro Nation. So yeah, it looks like it's a good, solid product, and come out of the UK, so you know it's going to be quality. Take care, guys. Cheers for now.